Hi again, Paul from Journey of a Petrolhead. Today we're taking the cabin filter from a Mark 5 Golf. Happens to be a GTI, but it should be the same approach for all of them. There's a GTI symbol. So the cabin air filter for the Mark 5 GTI Golf. This is a right-hand drive model. It's in the passenger footwell. It's up. So if we look down here, okay, it's under here. So what we got to do is unscrew. There's two little screws. There's that guy, and there's that guy. So we unscrew those. Take this down. Slide the housing across, it comes out and the filter's in here. So this should take only a few minutes. So let's get started with the unscrews. Okay, so the screws are out. There they are. Now, this foam bit, when you're pulling it down, the screws are out down, but you've got to pull it back a little bit because it slides in under a lip. So you just pull it back and out that way. That's the foam bit. This looks remarkably clean. Now, the filter is hiding in here. There we go. Okay, so I'm just holding it there. Just pull that across and it will come down. Literally slide. Look at all the dust. So this should be quite entertaining. I don't think it's going to be very clean. So when we take this out, we need to be aware of the orientation, okay? So this should just... Okay, this could be entertaining. So I have to watch how this comes out now. Right, so the filter is manky. This is why we're taking it out. Let's see all filter out. That is, yeah, that's had it pretty much. So look, that was pretty dirty. Look what we've got on the carpet now. That all came out of the cabin filter. So we're going to have to hoover this, which is fine. That's easy enough to do. Okay, that's the old filter, which is disgusting. Where did we get the new filter? So that's the filter that came out, which is nasty. New filter, spotless. Okay, so just pop that in, it'll be easy enough to get in now. Notice it'll only go in one way because of the shape of this. It'll only go in that direction with the airflow heading towards the eye. So this shouldn't be too hard to put it in now in a second. Yeah, fitting it as the reverse, you slide it up to the slot. Not the direction we're putting it. Same way as the other one came out. Okay, just a matter of lining everything up. Okay. Right, that's in. Now we get this guy. The line, you know, hooks up the slots and the slide until you hear a click. Done. Okay. Now put the foam cover back on. Should get the cover the right way. So these guys going towards the front and came out that way because that's underneath. Okay, so get it in the front first. Let's get it behind the big screws. Okay, it'll slide in. Alright. Fold it back. It clips in around by the trim. Okay. In. Goes in behind the carpet, as you can see. Okay. That's perfect. 2 screws. And second screw. Yeah, that's all that. We have a little bit of a mess behind us to tidy up, but that's it fitted. Okay, a nice, neat, tidy job. How you change cabin air filter, Golf Mark 5. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe as always.